Sarah.
Sabi ko konsepto. Konsepto ang importante kasi syempre sa dami na nagawa natin pelikula, it's important na bago. And mahirap sundin yung starting over again. And of course, yung track record ni Sarah. Nakaka-intimidate, pero trabaho lang. And I'm excited because I've always wanted to work with her. So now that it's happening, sana maganda yung konsepto, sana maganda yung istorya.
Willing ka ba na maging rom-com kasi knowing...
Hindi, sabi ko naman kay Sarah, we saw each other sa Asap ng Sunny. Sabi ko, Sarah, as early as now, I have to tell you, para at least you know, beforehand, na hindi ako pwedeng kissing scenes. Hanggang holding hands lang ako, hindi ako pwedeng love scene. So, sabi ko sa kanya, may limit talaga yung pwede mong gawin. So hanggang dun lang. At least yun na nasabi ko na before kami magtrabaho, para clear lang sa kanya kasi baka mag-expect. Hindi, joke lang. Hindi yun. Ano mo yung tanong?
Kung okay lang sa inyo rom-com or dapat serious?
Well, the thing is, Star Cinema is known for rom-com, so ba't ka palala yun, di ba? I've done, like OTJ, I've done Manila, I've done films na hindi mainstream, pero when you say Star Cinema and you're paired with a Sarah, it has to be rom-com. You know, yun naman ang forte ng Star Cinema, so walang problema.
Pero pinagkaroon ba ng second thought kasi syempre, Star is younger, medyo bata-bata pa, tapos iba rin yung market niya, iba rin yung market mo. Nagkaroon ba ng second thought na baka hindi mag-work or ano?
It's not up to me. I mean, for me, I'm just gonna do my job. Kasi alam naman na Star Cinema, if they think na hindi mag-work, they're not gonna pair us together, di ba? So, I think they know better. So, pupunta na lang ako doon para magtrabaho. I'll just give my best.
Last na, kasi nalakas nga yung 50 Shades na yun nga yung kung sakali makakatapat nyo. I-request mo ba na umurong? Or
No. I think 50 Shades is gonna be shown before us. Post-Valentine's ata kami kung aabot kami.
Okay.
Pero since meron Catherine na nandun ako, papasok. Kung sino mauna matapos sa amin, I'd rather prioritize yung matapos na maayos kaysa yung may deadline.
Okay.
Ayoko nagmamadali sa pelikula kasi nakaka-stress, nakaka-pressure. Mag-suffer yung quality. Not for anything, but mas maganda na yung nakapaganda pa na may oras ka. So kung di mo umabot, it's not about the plated anyway. Basta may maganda ka naman pelikula, it doesn't matter kung anong kailan ba palabas.
Pero naniniwala ka ba na may tampo si John Lloyd dahil hindi daw natuloy sa kanila dahil sa inyo ni Sarah?
Huh? Nah, it's not up to us, just like what I said. Trabahador lang din kami, mga artista lang kami. Kung meron mga nire-request, labas naman kami doon. And I don't think Lloydie, would feel bad, if I'm paired with Sarah because maraming beses na rin sila nagkapares. Parang same thing with him and Tony. So, maliit lang yung mundo. I mean, we ought to share.